Making Android apps requires years of programming experience and some decent hardware, but in this video, I'm going to show you how you can build your first Android app using your smartphone. Stay tuned. Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to be building our first Android application using my smartphone. For those of you who don't know, my name is Vector. I'm a computer science student and aspiring developer. Now, to make native Android apps, you need to learn the programming languages Java or Kotlin. Then use an IDE like Android Studio, IntelliJ IDEA, or Visual Studio to help you code your application. But if you don't have a PC to use for Android development and you still desire to learn Android development, there is an app called AIDE for Android, Java, and C++ that allows you to build Android apps using your phone. Yeah, that's right. With this app, you can build Android apps using your smartphone. It has all the features you need to get started learning Android development. They have some good interactive tutorials, but you can supplement them with a coding book or YouTube tutorial. Use an Android tablet and a Bluetooth keyboard for the best experience. Here's how you can make your first Android app using AIDE. After downloading and installing the app, launch it. Click on More Courses, then Android Development. This will open the first interactive course, which is the Hello World program. From there, just update this attribute here and press on Run. Congratulations, you've just created your first Android application using your smartphone. You can't possibly build a serious Android app using this app, but this will allow you to take the first couple of steps towards Android development. You don't even need to invest in decent hardware to do it. Thanks for watching, and as always, have a good one.